Why settle for 4K when 5 specialized tools deliver 6K open-gate recording and pro-grade stabilization? Grab pricing and links from the description while you wait for our top pick. Capture 400 frames per second in 5.3K resolution. Action cameras usually fail in low light or lack lens versatility. The Hero 13 Black uses a 1/1.9-inch sensor with an 8:7 aspect ratio for maximum cropping flexibility. Dual screens allow for easy framing. Modular HB series lenses change the field of view instantly. The accessory ecosystem pulls the viewer into the lens options. Modular optics expand your creative range. GPS coordinates track your movement. 400 frames per burst mode freezes extreme action. A wealth of recording options ensures you can shoot for any platform. Need night shots? Low light performance? The sensor struggles in dark environments? Extra costs? Almost every new feature requires a separate purchase? Extreme sports athletes who need a tough body can say yes. Pass if you want external mics without a mod. The rugged action standard. Swap lenses to break 4K video quality limits. Budget vlogging cameras often crop the image too much. The ZV-E10 II uses an APS-C sensor to deliver 4K video with almost no crop. A vari-angle LCD allows for easy framing from any angle. E-mount optics provide an endless range of lens choices. Better streaming options and a larger battery keep the workflow smooth. The internal microphone's performance pulls the viewer into the pros. High-quality 4K footage transforms the look of your content. Extended battery life means you can record for hours without swapping cells. A deep grip makes the small body feel secure in your hand. Built-in audio rivals a decent external mic, removing the need for extra gear. Need a gimbal? No IBIS. The footage will shake if you move while filming. Limited subject recognition happens because there is no AI processor. Heavy lenses will make the tiny body feel unbalanced. Those who want lens versatility will say yes. Pass if you need a hybrid photo tool. The entry-level pro vlogging kit. Stop fighting outdated autofocus. Get phase detect precision in 5.8K. Most mirrorless bodies fail to maintain focus during rapid movement. The GH7 eliminates this lag with a fast phase detect system. A 25.2 megapixel sensor captures detailed images across a huge range of video formats. Internal cooling fans allow for unlimited recording. This heat management keeps the 5.8K resolution stable. The magnesium alloy build provides a specific weather-sealed advantage. Phase Detect AF keeps run-and-gun subjects sharp. Massive format variety lets you switch between cinematic and social styles instantly. Unlimited recording time removes the fear of overheating. Professional weather sealing allows for confident shooting in rain or dust. Need a slim setup? Bulk factor. The cooling fan and alloy body create a chunky footprint. Battery life is mediocre, meaning you will likely need a grip for long days. Versatile creatives who need a do-everything tool can say yes. Skip if you want a pocketable body. The all-terrain content machine. Ditch the bulky gear. Get a number-inch sensor in your pocket. Most handheld cameras shake regardless of the gimbal. A 1-inch sensor captures 4K video with stability that outperforms software. A rotating 2-inch touchscreen allows for instant vertical switching. Bluetooth mic input keeps the setup lean. The larger display creates a specific friction point regarding the device's physical footprint. A rotating screen makes framing shots a breeze. Creator combo accessories provide professional vlogging audio. 10-bit video preserves detail across varied lighting. 32-bit sound options ensure audio never clips. High-quality results come without needing a handle. Need rugged gear? Price jump. The cost is significantly higher than the Pocket 2. Auto exposure tends to brighten images too much. Complex features take a while to uncover. The build is more vulnerable than a GoPro. Vloggers who need stability will find this a win. Pass if you want rugged. The vlogging powerhouse. Forget 4K. Get 6K open-gate recording for professional results. Most mirrorless cameras struggle with overheating during long takes. The Lumix S5 II solves this with unlimited 4K/60p internal recording. A 24.2 megapixel sensor without a low-pass filter captures raw detail. Phase hybrid autofocus ensures subjects stay sharp. Open-gate 6K resolution provides maximum flexibility. The stabilization system remains a core strength. Best-in-class stabilization removes the need for a gimbal. Filmic image quality delivers a cinematic look. Unlimited recording lets you run the camera for hours. Professional video functionality gives you full control. 24 megapixel stills keep the same versatility. Worry about recording indicators? Physical gaps, no tally lights, cables block the flip-out screen when used, no CF Express, slot limits high-speed storage. Phase hybrid autofocus makes this the top pick for videographers. Pass if you rely on tally lights. The definitive mirrorless video tool. Secure the latest camera deals and pricing inside the description. Subscribe to master your content creation gear. Build your studio.